They say Frndly TV is the most affordable live TV streaming service in 2026. The kind of platform people try when they're tired of paying high prices for Hulu, YouTube TV, or cable. But is it actually good, or is it just cheap TV? That's what everyone online has been asking. So we took a deeper look to see if Frndly is really worth it this year. The first thing that stands out is the price. While Hulu and YouTube TV keep raising their monthly fees, Frndly stays extremely budget-friendly. Even its higher-tier plans cost less than the cheapest plans from the big platforms. And this is one of the main reasons so many people switch. Families, seniors, and casual viewers are tired of paying premium prices for channels they never use. So at first glance, Frndly already feels like a refreshing alternative. But the price only matters if the content is good. And here's where Frndly shows its true identity. It's not trying to replace cable. It's not trying to compete with Hulu originals or YouTube TV sports packages. Frndly focuses on comforting, family-safe television. Channels like Hallmark, Lifetime, A&E, The Weather Channel, UPTV, and Game Show Network make up most of its lineup. It's feel-good TV, nostalgic TV, the kind of content you can watch with anyone without worrying about surprises. If that's the type of content you love, Frndly is basically perfect. Something that really surprised us is the DVR. Even though the service is inexpensive, the DVR works well. Depending on your plan, you can save recordings for months, and you also get a 72-hour look-back feature. So even if you forget to record something, you can still go back and watch it. For the price, this is genuinely impressive. And the app works on almost any device: phones, TVs, tablets, streaming boxes, making it very easy to use. But of course, Frndly has its limitations. The interface isn't as polished as Hulu or YouTube TV. It feels a bit simpler, sometimes slower. And if you're someone who needs sports channels, major networks, or local TV, Frndly will not replace your main service. It doesn't have ESPN, Fox, NBC, or any of the channels that sports fans depend on. It's simply not made for that audience. Some users also say customer support can be slow, especially during peak hours. However, none of these issues change what Frndly really is: a low-cost, family-friendly streaming service for people who want simple live TV. When you compare it with Hulu, the difference becomes obvious. Hulu gives you originals, a huge on-demand library, and a more modern interface, but it's much more expensive. For many households, they never watch 90% of what they're paying for. Meanwhile, Frndly gives people only what they actually use, without all the extras that raise the price. So after comparing content, price, DVR, and user experience, the truth is this: Frndly is not for everyone, but for the right audience, it's one of the best streaming decisions you can make. If you want comfort TV, family-safe channels, simple navigation, and a price that's actually affordable in 2026, Frndly is absolutely worth it. But if you need sports, major networks, or a full cable replacement, you'll be happier with Hulu, YouTube TV, or DirecTV-Stream. My final verdict: Frndly is the best budget-friendly streaming service of 2026. It's not trying to be the biggest or the most advanced, just the one that makes sense, financially and practically, for people who want simple television. And for that audience, it delivers exactly what it promises. If this review helped you decide whether Frndly is right for you, make sure to like, comment, or share it with someone who's looking for a cheaper streaming option. Watching smart in 2026 means choosing the service that fits your lifestyle, not the one with the most channels.